Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and use or redeem your Walmart gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply start our video. So if you want to do so, what you gotta do is first of all go ahead, open any browser of your mobile phone. For example, I have already opened and search in walmart.com. You're gonna do the same over there in your search bar and you will land on this kind of interface, and then you gotta log in over here. You can see I'm already logged in right over here. So once you do that, you will simply then what you will do is again tap on this three horizontal line above, and then you will be tapping on this account option given over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Tap on this account option. Now you will land on this kind of interface over here. Simply go ahead, tap on this wallet option and add a payment method. If you tap over there, you will be able to find this kind of 5 options given over here, which includes gift card. So if you tap that gift card option here, you will be able to find this kind of a form where you will be able to add your card number, pin 4-digit gift card nickname. As you can see, there is a dummy gift card over here. You can see physical gift card, find the pin on the back of the card. So here you will be able to recognize the card number are over here like this, and the pin will be separated like this. So once you do that, you can simply go ahead, add in your card number, pin including the nickname, and then you will tap on this save card option where you will be able to save your Walmart gift card right there in Walmart, and whenever you purchase something you can use it. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.